When a shopper searches for something, it usually means that they want to buy. But shoppers also have a habit of giving up easily. Understanding what they want and helping them find it is key. Here are some tips to help shoppers click that Add to Cart button. Motive Analytics lets you know what shoppers are searching for, the most popular terms in their successful searches, and also the ones that are returning no results. You can get your shoppers successfully searching by using the following features. Create synonyms. Sometimes shoppers use different words to refer to the same thing or search for the name of a season, like sales or Black Friday, to see what's discounted and on offer. Add synonyms linking these concepts together so that shoppers see one thing when they search for another. Create business rules. Use this feature to boost the product, brands or categories you want shoppers to see, or bury the ones you want to appear at the end of the results. Improve CTR by using these Motive features, and you can check out our tutorials playlist to see how to use these features in more detail.